What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're gonna do some frostbite things today. Project Frostbite, and I've got some bling, some new parts, and it's gonna be kind of fun. Just a little simple wrenching, good for the soul. Let's go. Alright guys, so if you've been following along the channel, which you should be, you know Project Frostbite is over at Nick's getting paint and body right now, so nothing we can really do as far as that car goes right now, but we do have the drivetrain, and I've had the parts train flowing. Oh yeah. So I wanted to add a little bit, not too much, because I'm not really a big bling guy, but I wanted to add a little bit just to make it pretty. But got these in from LMR. I've always liked these valve covers. They're really top quality, which I actually had these on my 92 before I swapped it over to Coyote, and had these on there. They looked great for a while, and then later on I kind of changed the look up and ended up painting them like a satin black, which they looked good that way too. But overall, I just love the construction of them, like the way they fit. They kind of have an OE look and add a little bit of spice too. So we're going to get those on there. Got the new style valve covers, brand new headers for it, water pump, all of that. So yeah, a little fun day of wrenching. All right, boys, here we go. Yeah, nothing says race car like a set of polished valve covers. No, I'm just kidding. They look really good though. Very, very, very nice. I'm digging them. Let's get some headers on this thing. Yeah, the heat worked. It didn't break.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't touch it. Yeah, I about did too.
Yeah.
You can see how crusty it was. But yeah, I held the heat on it and overworked her back and forth. No bolts broken. That doesn't happen very often, does it?
No.
You take your time though. Like I said, we beat on the ends a little bit and then put some heat on it, which will be kind of hard to do in the car, I know, but yeah, that would come out, so we'll take the win. right, boys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoy this. I have to say, for me personally, it's very rewarding. Just sit here and let all the BS kind of float away, slang some wrenches. It's a good day. Get out in your garage and do the same. But yes, guys, Project Frostbite. Guys, if you are not aware, Project Frostbite is the next giveaway car, and this will be our third for my premium subscription. The link is right below for my premium subscription. Do over $1,000 a month in giveaways. We give the cars away that we build right here on the channel. I mean, and not only that, it keeps all this going. So huge shout out to my premium subscribers. And like I said, the link is right below. Sign up. And I promise you, the cost is far outweighed by all the giveaways, and just try to deliver a lot of value to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.